funny part is that last time I told you I pushed the car, but I did not. I really wasn't pushing it. I thought I was, but I wasn't. This time, I did push the car. Oh my god. Alrighty boys, once more, we're back. This time it's for alignment and some oil change. I had an appointment at 10 and again, we are on time, as usual.
Front toe was off a little bit.
What?
Rear toe was off a little bit. Made it perfect.
Okay. Were you able to remove the bolts on the rear?
No, I did not. I forgot to go. I'll put it on.
Alright, thanks. It's this one right here. Okay, this one.
And you said just free spins, right?
Yes. Tried once, I was like, I'm gonna give up. Alright. This stupid bolt has been removed. Let me actually show you. It's not here anymore. And something I didn't tell you last time was I actually installed these myself. It wasn't hard at all. It's just this one that's a bit tricky to get, but I'll do the same for the other side, and I'll do that off camera. It's not something big, but yeah, everything's good. I have the sheet here. Probably already showed you that. And now, my friends, we'll see you again in 2 days when we go for the road trip. We're back. If you guys watched the previous video where we did the mini road trip, you already know where we are. This is the beginning of the, I'll say the starting point. And today, we're gonna make good use of these new tires. Okay, everything is set. I have my phone tucked away over here. It's not going to move. I'm not using this because it moves. It moves like crazy. I already have another one in mind, but I can still use this one as navigation tool. I have my phone over there. Nothing is going to roll back there, so we are good to go. Let's do this. Oh. I never experienced that. Like it deep and then going up immediately. So weird. At pretty decent speed, that is. Oh, saw that. Could have been way better without this guy in front of me. Well, it's always the case, right? When you drive like this. This action could have been way better without this guy in front of me. Alright, we are turning soon. There's a bike in front of this guy. This Volkswagen has been with me for the past like 25-30 minutes. So hopefully these guys don't turn right.
on North Quebec.
All right,
327 North.
turning right.
Signs for Quebec.
Oh,
363
no.
West.
He's turning right. The Volkswagen is turning right as well. Yes! Woo! Let's
Quebec
go.
327 North for 7 kilometers.
Oh my god! That was scary. That was pretty scary. I'm not gonna lie. That was scary. The car just shifted like this at pretty high speeds. That was kind of scary. Don't remember taking this route last time though. Oh well. Not bad because there's absolutely no one here, so
In 500 meters,
whoa!
turn right
Is this the
onto
beach?
23 North.
No way! Are you kidding me? This is a beach. Well, not a beach, but next to the river. That is crazy. Like I said, this is the first time I got to this point. Well, I used this route. Sheesh. People might have a problemo. Last time when I did this, I didn't record as much as I could have, and this time I went a bit too ham. I don't know if you can see this, but on the top left it tells you the amount of time that you have on the memory card. Doesn't there you go. So that seems to me like it's 5 minutes. 5 minutes remaining for me to record like 3 hours of driving more. Like, oh my god, I went a bit too ham on this one. I didn't buy a new memory card, which I probably should have, but yeah, I messed up. I'm hoping it says 5 hours, but I doubt it does that, because from the starting point up to like 20 minutes before arriving here, I record non-stop. I didn't stop, so that kind of sucks. Like, battery wise, this is the second battery I'm going to use, but yeah, well, you're going to see whatever you're going to see, and the rest will be, I guess, myself. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, let's go. Holy crap! I couldn't turn the camera on earlier, but look at this view! Jesus! Okay, I have to show you this again. So we're gonna turn around. We have to turn around, people. Now look at this. Check this out. Ooh. Wow! Look at this! Holy moly! This is sick! I had to turn the camera on for this. I don't even mind about the time. Woo! That was good. Alright boys, let me try to explain this as fast as possible. So, last time I said that going back, I was going to take another route. Oh, what's this? WRX? Nice. The new ones. So, I said I was going to go back the same route I did coming in, but that would be boring. So instead of going straight back using the highways, I use, well actually I'm going to show you this on the map. The red line is me going up, the yellow line is me going back home, and the blue line is me going back home right now. So I'm going out of my way to avoid the highways to have a road like this. So that is exactly what I'm doing right now. But unfortunately, like I just told you, we do not have enough space anymore. So I guess this is going to be for another time. I'll be better prepared, I can assure you. But for now, let's just enjoy these last minutes as much as I can show you guys. The funny part is that last time I told you I pushed the car, but I did not. I really wasn't pushing it. I thought I was, but I wasn't. This time, I did push the car. Through the corners, like, I was going pretty hard. And these roads are fantastic. Not bumpy, just smooth. ABS saved me there, man. ABS. Oh, no, not ABS. Traction control. Kind of saved me there. Woo! That came out of nowhere, people. Holy moly. Alrighty, boys. It is almost 4 and we are pretty much back. Last time I left at 10. I got at my first checkpoint at like 11 and I came back here around 5, I would say. I don't remember. But this time it was more so doing a lot more heavy driving, if I can say it like that, driving a little faster. In my last video when I did this, I said that I was pushing the car. I wasn't pushing. I thought I was pushing, I wasn't pushing. Now that what I just did today, I was actually pushing. And as you saw, the big scare, thank God, 1, there was no one around. 2, the TC saved me. And yeah, 3, thank God, nothing happened. Like really nothing. It could have been like over for the car, but thankfully nothing happened. Also, I don't think there was any indication that the route was going to change from tarmac to gravel. Because I don't remember. But anyway, everything went fine and we are alive. The car is in one piece. And the reason why I did it this time was truly to have some more fun before I get to work, because starting next video you're gonna see there's going to be a big announcement for myself. So I don't know when I'll have more time to do this again. I'll definitely do this one more time before winter, but I don't know when. It's not gonna be anytime soon, because starting next week we have some work, people. We have some work to do. Big projects, big things coming. Yeah, I'll leave you on that. See you on the next video.